Hey, what's up everybody? This is Silas with Flatline Van Co. Today we are here to show you how to roll out your awning. We specifically use Fiamma, but this should work with any other aftermarket awning from the other brands. They are all going to be pretty similar. So one thing we want to start with is close the door. One thing we do here at Flatline is we make every rack so the awnings stick as close to the body of the van. That's one thing when you're choosing a rack. You're gonna wanna make sure that you've got a rack that can get the awning as close to the van so it can keep out inclement weather, whether you're out in the rain or snow. We've been using Sprinters for 10 years and these awnings for well over 10 years. So our engineers have designed every rack to make it so the awnings sit as close to the body as possible. So make sure when you're choosing a rack that the awning can get in there and close out any weather gap. That's a big one for us, and after 10 years of using Sprinters and these awnings, that's something we found that's really nice to have. So anyway, we're gonna get started. We're gonna close the door and get ready to pull the awning out. Okay, so every manual awning is gonna come with some sort of crank like this. You can open these up so they can get out further to make it easier to crank it out, especially if you're shorter. So we've got this one. I'm not very tall, so we have this extended to get up there and reach super easy. One thing that we'd like to point out, sort of a pro tip, is manual awnings are the best awnings for a Sprinter. As you know, your Sprinter is 9+ feet tall, pushing 10 sometimes if you lift it. The automatic awnings are great because you can press a button, they come out, they go back in, it's easy. However, that awning is 9+ feet in the air, 9.5, 10 feet in the air. When it's really sunny, you're not getting the shade that you want to get out of an awning. When it's really rainy, you're not able to block the rain. With a manual awning, you can tip one side to the other so rain can drip off. You can tip it really low to block sun. We absolutely, after 10 years of driving Sprinters and using awnings, we absolutely recommend a manual awning. If you have an automatic one and have a chance to sell it to someone else, definitely get rid of it. Get into a manual awning. We love Fiamma, but there's other great brands out there as well. So here we go. We'll show you how to crank it out by yourself. Again, with a partner makes this easier because they can grab the middle for you. I will crank it out just to the point where I can reach it and go a little further to make it easy. I pop the arms out. I'll set this one down in an angle. Get my other one. Same thing, set this one down at an angle. At this point, you can go ahead and open the door as well. It's just for the first crank open. We fit them so close to the body that when you open the door, when you open the awning, if the door's closed, if the door's open, it'll get close to hitting. So we always tell people for the first part of opening it, have your door closed. Right there, I've set it just above my head. What we do is, whoever the tallest person is at camp, you set it above their head so they don't run into it. We also have the option of taking these legs and putting them into the feet pads from Impact Products using the Fiamma side mount. Other than that, that's how you do it by yourself. Obviously with a partner, have them hold the middle for you, make things easy. But that's it. Enjoy.